Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell.
So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I sleep and just wake up from a nap and I go get some food right now and thing. I know I forward on the road with me. My girlfriend just called me, she there in New York. Hi baby.
Hello.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
Alright, so we there do it for vlog. Me a vlog with the Pixel phone. This I first me a vlog with the Pixel phone. When you see me drop her at the airport, she reach in New York. We come home and take a sleep. And I just arise right now, hungry. So I'm about to go get some food and do it for the vlog. I go pick up one drink from one of my Rasta bridging them. So I probably go forward with me, you see me? And thing. Yo, I'm lonely, me alone I go sleep tonight, star. Baby! Oh!
You should have came with me.
I know! I should have came. I'm lonely.
I didn't do this yesterday.
Huh?
You couldn't wait for me to leave.
Kind of true. Yes, that's true.
That's me. You didn't have to agree.
I'm fucking with you though. You know I'm fucking with you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. The vlog has started off in the night actually. Today me run go up on the road, run a bag of errands and thing. And remember me say we are work on a camera. This week goal I forget a camera. Me have some other things to sort out, but me not lie. Investing in a camera right now I gonna be the main thing. No G, the vision we have right now for myself, I want to go hard and shoot content right now, you see me? I never really fully give it my all yet, and I know I put my all in a way I do, you see me? I don't know if you notice now, but now I live when I feel really I do, you see me? And trust me, it pay off. When I say it pay off, I see it. I tell you I see it. I just have to just continue. I do this, dog, you see me? So, me and daily that chat audio too, and him go buy one camera when me do want to, you see me? So that even motivate me more if you say, you know, me I go do this, me I just shut me and do this shit. Me have bills CP and all of that. Me not have it like one time, but shit a come in now, you see me? I'ma feel it only right for just invest in a what me I do, you see it? As in quality wise, computer wise and thing too. Cause my computer, I go through computers over the years, but I want a current computer now. And the current computer, them are like $4,000 or $5,000. You see me? So I probably cap one too. And better quality and sound. You see me? So I plan really now for do a big thing for just go hard and get them things. Tomorrow probably I go camera shopping, hopefully. You see me? I don't know if I buy not yet, but I go look on price and certain shit. If shit happen, I probably buy. No, I just wake up from the whole lot today. Honestly, yesterday vlog, me did up actually the whole night with my girl, take post snap. Wake up about 5 in the morning, carry go to the airport, I sleep out the whole of the day. I go fix my tire too, but I never video that process there. I just put on 2 new back tire on this car. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Remember when you need to say I plug it tire and unplug? That tire they no good. Tire crack. And when it bust, it can't plug, you see me? So I end up having to get a new tire. So 2 new back tire there on my car right now. So do you think I just plug me, I go be able to plug my car and my car good? No. 2 new back tire there on this thing, 2 them I put it on. So I kinda stress out. Hey man, cause money I spend. And a bills time now, you see me? Shit. But I just have faith in a way I go do right now, and I just have make that video for me to know. I keep on I do the everyday vlog them. I not drop no day. If I even sit down and talk to you for 10 minutes, I go do that and I can know what going on in my life now. I'm fully committed to this thing here. Believe me when I tell you now, I'm fully committed. Like I live it for real. Apart from my girlfriend and relationship and friend them. This way I do now, I live it for real. So you have to give it your all, and that I do, you know, you see me? So I just want to go hard with content and I want to improve for me equipment them I have, you see me? Because I years now, I don't do a whole new equipment, up-to-date equipment shit, you see me? So I want to go get a new MacBook, the latest one them have now. I want to go get the latest camera them have out now. The latest sound equipment them have now. I go put up a lot to get them shit right now, you see me? So I put in the work on the video them phone now. I don't know the video them alone I go pay me, but you just know watching the video them means a lot too. If you can do that. So just go and mad up on yourself and we gotta do it for the vlog. Kinda lonely because I'm alone at the home tonight. You see me? Probably watch a movie and eat some food. That and yo, me just get this and one of my supporter them. You see me, our Rasta man. This a coconut water and tuna. You see me, this supposed to do magic to my body. And thing, and him give me some shit, I forgot. What this name, you know? Him give me something else. Wait. Fuck, I forgot I name, you know, but me add water to this and drink it, 1 tablespoon. That's some ital shit. The Rasta man, I trust him. You see me? He may get more some blend up from, but this, him say drink this. You see me? This good for me. Coconut water and tuna. I mean, I know, forgot how it say, but it good for my body. You see me? So this well cool, can just make it. You see me? But, as I say, this is one journey where me a document. I don't know, come along for the whole journey. Hopefully me can vlog and not stop till I want to take breaks, you know. And just to know see that more to see the whole transformation, yeah, how hard me go with that life journey and that goal where me have to be. For do what me I do actually, you see me? I make create for you know. I just want to do things where people find joy watching or listening or whatever. When me I drop content, I want to still watch the whole video them because that mean a lot, you see me? Remember go watch the movie out right now if you just watch a vlog yeah, by accident or you just buck up on the vlog yeah. And I watch the movie in name Obsession. While me I look over this because people are pull up, you see me? I'm kind of very aware of my surrounding. I'm in the home. Me just spark up somewhere and talk real quick. I live down the block, but yeah, I just say I pull over and talk to you know. But that I go on for what I go on. Hope you enjoy that journey when I'm about to go up and I just creating content for you know. Cause I'm back on the pre now, you see me? So let's go and see what about to happen out of this whole journey I'm creating, you see me? Whether it be music, movies, comedy, or you just tag along for the ride, you see me? We're there and I go do it for the vlog and take some trips. That's what I want to do to, you know. Hear the idea here what me have to. I want to go in another state, go link with other content creator and collabs, you see me? So like how me and Gillis link up and we do that little short thing and drop it. So I want to go different places and link with other creators where they're on the same journey as me. I will just drop content, you see me? Collab and drop content. More work on the Yankee side of content creators and more work with the Yardy side. Upcoming everybody, you see me? Me and producers, any producers out there where bad pan beat and melody and them thing, they wanna link me, you see me? Songwriter wanna link me, director them wanna link me. Anybody wanna work, you see me? Cause that me depend with creating, I wanna work right now. So journey with me. I just love creating dog. So I just go hard and do this and make them see pre. So go and do it for your vlog.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate.